Yes, Riyadh.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Thank you all for showing up today.
You're welcome.
Today, in 7th grade science, has anyone seen one of these before?
No.
It's a wilted tomato plant.
Oh, okay. You got it
Right?
in my place?
Yeah.
Yes, that's good.
Do you know how it wilted, Donna?
Yeah, it doesn't have any water.
Good. All right.
Yeah.
So inside these little leaves are small little cells, and inside these cells is an area like a balloon. It's called a vacuole. Today we're going to be learning about different parts within a cell. The vacuole is like a balloon, and it holds water for the plant, and it provides structure for the plant. So if a balloon loses its air, it kind of wilts, right? Just like a vacuole inside of a leaf in a plant. Okay? So, our overhead projector is broken today, but we're going to take a quick look at some of the structures within a plant cell. Alright, so this is the vacuole that we just spoke about, okay? Here's the nucleus, and it's kind of like the brain of the plant, or the brain of the cell, okay? We have mitochondria right here, and those structures basically produce, or transform energy from the chloroplast. So the chloroplast collects sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, there's a process called photosynthesis, okay? And the mitochondria takes that energy and makes it into useful energy for the plant, okay? Or for the cell. It then goes to the to the nucleus, and the nucleus basically tells it how to change, or to make proteins, okay? And then proteins then go through the endoplasmic reticulum, which transfers it to the Golgi body, and then to the vacuole, and then it leaves the cell, okay? So I know that was a lot of information real quick, but what we're going to do is we're going to act out how that whole process takes place, okay? Okay, thank you, little Frank. Would you like to be the endoplasmic reticulum today? Okay, and you're also... Greg, you get to be the chloroplast. Alright? Nonna, would you like to be the vacuole? Mitochondria, Nick?
Yeah.
That's the energy maker, okay?
I am a mitochondria.
Christiana, you get the role of the nucleus, okay? Frank, you also get to be the Golgi body, okay?
Perfect. I don't want to be chloroplast.
Chloroplast is one of the best roles, right?
This all being filmed?
This is on film right now. Okay. So, Sylvia, would you, Christiana, how about, actually, let's start out with everybody reading their roles, okay? Starting with chloroplast. So go ahead, Greg. Read your role. We'll read it loud.
If you spill that coffee, I'm going to kick you.
Chloroplast. I contain chlorophyll, which allows photosynthesis to occur. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into food energy, sugars and starches, oxygen and water.
Chlorophyll? More like borophyll.
Thank you, chloroplast. Nick, I'm not going to warn you again. Sylvia, I'll take care of it, thank you. All right.
Now we got the,
All right, so chloroplast goes to chlorophyll, mitochondria.
Mitochondria. I convert sugars into useful energy for the plant.
Okay, and then we go to, Christiana, would you like to interject with the nucleus?
The nucleus controls many of the functions of the cell by controlling protein synthesis. It contains DNA and chromosomes. The nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear membrane. I am the brain of the cell.
Why does he have two?
you like to read the endoplasmic reticulum and then the Golgi body?
Endoplasmic reticulum. ER transports materials through the cell and produces proteins in sacs, which are sent to the Golgi body or inserted into the cell membrane.
Thank you. And how about the Golgi body?
Golgi body, also called the Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. I package protein and carbohydrates into sacs for export from the cell.
Thank you, Golgi.
You're welcome.
And those sacs for export go to the vacuole.
The vacuole, a large membrane-bound space that is filled with fluid. I help maintain the shape of the cell as well as digest waste.
Thank you, vacuole. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you to all stand up, okay? I'll help you, vacuole.
Wait a minute, I got it.
Thank you, vacuole. All right, and for the sake of this activity, the wall is going to be right here, okay? So we're going to stay in this little area, all right? I'm going to ask the vacuole to hold on to your balloons.
You
All right.
Billy Madison reference.
Oh, yeah.
Here you go, vacuole. Here's your other balloon.
Here, do please. Catch.
Chloroplast, this is the sunshine. If I warn you again, you're going to principal's office.
It matches your yellow shirt.
All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to trace the pathway that these things...
Why does mitochondria have balloons?
Stop it. All right. So we're going to start with the chloroplast. Chloroplast, you've got sunshine coming in, you've got oxygen, and you've got carbon dioxide. Okay?
Okay.
We're going to follow the energy through the plant cell. Okay? So, all right. So start with this, hold on to it, and then pass it when I tell you to where I put it.
Okay.
Okay? So chloroplast, you've got to act out, taking in the energy, and passing it on to the mitochondria. Thank you, chloroplast. Very nice. Mitochondria, you're the energy maker. You've got to use up the energy, all right? You're using up your energy. Good. And the expended energy is going to the nucleus for...
Oh my god. Very mean.
All right.
He's so good.
So they're going to also create protein. So go ahead, nucleus. And nucleus. You can also read the script as well.
From the beginning?
Yeah, let's do it real quick from the beginning. We'll start from where you're at.
Okay, it has just rained and the sun is shining. The chloroplast is busy making food with sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. This process is called photosynthesis. Mitochondria converts the food that the chloroplast just produced and turns it into useful energy for the plant. As the nucleus, I contain the code for the cell, which the ribosomes use to produce proteins. The ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. The proteins produced by the ribosomes are processed in the endoplasmic reticulum.
Process.
I'm a processor.
This is your
I'm
process.
a processor.
Use your
I'm a processor.
And they are sent to the
I'm a
Golgi
processor.
body. The Golgi body packages, now
You
use
get
the
processed.
package, the materials and hands it off to the vacuole for export.
I'm processing here.
And
I'm
it's
processing.
packaging, and it's going to the vacuole, and you've got to move because you're...
Here's your vacuum. I got your vacuum. Here's your vacuum. I got your
Package too. You got a package.
Hey.
Umbo!
The whole time the vacuole has simply been puffed up to give the plant structure. He decides to help a bit more and excrete the waste the Golgi has packaged.
Throw it out the door.
This?
Yep,
Throw it out.
throw it.
That one?
Throw it wherever you want. It's going to go out the room. There you go. There goes the waste.
Oh,
All right,
okay.
the vacuole gets rid of
Yeah,
the
but
waste.
the picture it's only of you.
It's okay.
It's just
All right. So, class, thank you very much for your participation. We can all sit down for a second.
Can we go home?
Let's sit down.
That was the cell reading itself.
All right, everyone.
Ah.
Thank you for your participation and your cooperation. Alright, so this was just a short little introduction to the plant cell. Next class, we're going to be going over in more detail the structures and the functions, and we're also going to be discussing how each structure has its own specific role. Greg, thank you very much. I'll talk to you after class. Alright, class dismissed.